For over 40 years, we've helped millions of people get the very best soft water solutions in their homes. The new Premier Compact is our latest twin-tank non-electric water softener, designed as a modern household appliance. The Premier Compact features sleek and contemporary styling, and it's one of the smallest water softeners available, taking up a minimum amount of space in your home. Inside, Emax technology balances eco-efficiency and maximum performance to give an unparalleled level of limescale prevention. The patented non-electrical smart valve ensures greater reliability, and there's nothing to plug in, no meters or timers to set, and no electricity costs. Unlike many other water softeners, the Premier Compact uses soft water to self-clean, preventing internal limescale damage and making it last years longer. The differences don't end there. The Premier Compact accurately meters your water usage, so it knows just when to regenerate, saving you money by reducing salt consumption wherever possible. And unlike single tank softeners, the Premier Compact's twin tank system is always ready to deliver soft water. As one tank cleans, the other operates as usual, giving an uninterrupted supply on demand, no matter how much you use. And there's also quiet drive, ensuring low noise levels for minimum disturbance. At the heart of the Premier Compact is our highest quality food-grade resin. This offers exceptional flow rates, even during high demand periods. Maintenance is simple. Just refill with easy-to-load 4kg block salt. See exactly when to refill with this salt level indicator window, and quickly access the salt compartment with the Easy Lift magnetic lid. The Premier Compact has been engineered to the highest quality standards, allowing you to simply enjoy all the benefits that soft water brings with the peace of mind that it comes with years of guaranteed service. We invented the non-electric twin-tank water softener, and with the Premier Compact, we've made it even better.